Back in Inglewood again for this weekend. I'm at the same camp where I cooked the curry sausages at the end of August. I'm just cleaning out the ash and the dirt that I backfilled the fire pit with last time in August. Yeah, I got the fire going again. It's still a bit hot, but it doesn't seem as hot as it was about this time the other week. So I just got the billy boiling there to make a cover, and car's over there, and shortly I'll reverse it back over to here somewhere and hook up the light. I'm going to tie it to that tree there, that little one. This one here, that one there. I'll hook it up to that. I've got a few new things the last couple of weeks too. I got this the other day. It's a Sony ICD PX 470 voice recorder. Got it from Kogan. Got it last week and got it and I received it yesterday. And it's very good. I was testing it at home and it's brilliant. Much better than the cheap ones I was buying. This one only cost me $109 including postage. I didn't get around to making flatbreads before I went to the community garden this morning, so having to do them now. This is not what I planned to cook tonight. I just ran out of time. Time went, it just flew tonight. I don't know what happened to it. It's about 9 o'clock now, and what I was going to cook tonight takes about an hour and a half. And it just got too late. So what I've got here is some kale, silver beans and spinach that was freshly picked this morning at the community garden, and a couple of flatbreads. That'll do me for tonight. I've put some made some gravy and got some barbecue sauce on that as well. So that'll do me for tonight, and I'll make the other dish tomorrow night for tea, and I'll show you what it is. So you're going to have to wait until tomorrow to find out what I was going to cook tonight. Here's the other two items that I bought over the last couple of weeks. There's a stand for a gas stove and a new gas mate to burn a gas stove. And for lunch I had spiced pumpkin and carrot cuppa soup and flatbread. There's a bit of a creek here that runs up past the camp. There's the camp, and you can see this creek isn't too far away. Some time ago upstream that way I found some more mine shafts, so we'll go up for a bit of a walk and we'll have a look at them. This is where that creek that runs behind the camp starts. So it's fairly flat there and then comes into this hole. I'm probably about 350 metres from the camp if you walk through the creek, but only about a bit over 150 metres in a straight line. Just here is where those three shafts are. I'll just go and show you them now. Again, I have to apologise if you can hear the noise too much, the wind. It's died down a little bit at the moment, but it just keeps on coming back. Anyway, here's one of the shafts. I don't know how deep these ones go. I'll have to put the sports cam down one day and have a look. Another one's just here. Can't see over and see if I can see the bottom of it. But the piece de resistance is just there. We'll go and have a look at it from the other side. There's one we were just looking at, and we'll just follow it down the hill here to this one at the front. There's the creek, running around the bend, and this is facing it. Down to there is probably, from where I am, it'd be a good 12 metres. And about the same straight down from the top, by the looks of things. Bit of a dig just in there as well. I dare say they got a fair bit of gold out of that one. Some nice looking red clay in there. This is what I was going to cook last night. What it is chilli and beans. You know, the American recipe chilli, that's what this is. I've got some beef mince cooking in the pan, and just going to add some onion and garlic. I'm going to cook that for about 8 to 10 minutes. I would have done this on the campfire, but that wind is still around. It's just after 6 o'clock, and probably about 15 minutes ago it blew through here at maybe 30-40 kilometres an hour. There you go. No more than 3 minutes after I last spoke to you, that wind's come back again. That's the main reason I don't want to have the fire going tonight. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Which would probably be about that much. A tablespoon of ground chilli. A teaspoon of cumin, ground cumin. So that'll do. Yes, that'll do. A teaspoon of oregano leaves and 2 tins of diced tomatoes. Well, this one's crushed tomatoes actually as well, so I just bought what was on the shelf at the supermarket and stir it all in. Then we'll cover it up and leave it like that for an hour. Now I'm going to put a can of red kidney beans in the mix. Just take this off and show you. No, I didn't put that on the dirt. I've got my campfire grill on the ground beside me. Alright, red kidney beans and juice. Coming out of there. Right, let's do that around. That looks better. I just added the second tin of beans, but without the juice of that second tin. So I think there's more than enough juice in that. So let that cook uncovered now for 20-25 minutes, and it should be ready. Right, I'll finish this off with some big dollop of sour cream. Yum. And I don't think this is traditional, but I had it. Some parsley. Again, picked fresh from the community garden in town yesterday morning. Had a bit of rain last night. Don't know what time it was, but it woke me up. Heard it on the tarp. Get a coffee going. Get some light on the subject first.